newspaper, community newspaper that is distributed in the Boland area, and we're now 7 years old. I'm the publisher of the newspaper, but the question for me, the issue is actually not, and thank you for the experience that I have been getting from IPS to see how many effort is there into finding a good story. But for me, at the end of the day, is to sustain the newspaper and to get income and revenue from advertising. We are struggling for advertising in the Western Cape, and 60% of our income is actually going to printing of the newspaper. So that is a challenge. At the end of the day, these people, all the journalists, need to be paid. So